Hi, I'm Michael Lang with Nexel Academy. Welcome to this video series on Git. Today we're going to talk about commits. Commits are a point-in-time representation of your repository, of your code base. So let's see what that looks like. So when you create a repository, you create an initial commit. As you can see here, we start here with this bulb under the ground, and we're growing a tree, like our source tree. And the green line represents your changes over time. So you've changed one file, another file, and then you get to the point where you just say you want to save your changes. So then we decide at that point we want to make a commit. All those changes get wrapped up from that point, that series of time, into that commit. Okay? And then you work again, and then you decide to do a commit. And you do more work over another period of time, and you do another commit. So a commit represents the different versions of your code base over time. We're going to talk about some of these other paths down the line when we get to merging and branching. So this video is part of our front-end and full-stack developer programs. Check out the full course content at nexelacademy.com/courseware.